Hi guys, it's me, Gurung Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, tara guys at samahan ninyo ako na panoorin natin yung isang nag-viral na video na kung saan ito ay nangyari during nung kanilang kasal. Na kung saan itong si ate girl ay siya mismo yung kumanta sa kanilang wedding day. Pero bago natin pagpatuloy ang reaction na to, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, at gusto mo yung mga ganitong klase ng content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa videos na ina-upload natin. At yun nga guys, para magpagpatuloy na natin tong excitement na nararamdaman natin, simulan na natin to. Let's go!
A few months ago, I asked Kuya Boom, also known to you as Lolito Go, to write a song for my wedding day. I sent him a few lines that I wrote myself, and he fashioned it into a piece of poetry before he finally set his original music to it. I would also like to acknowledge Mr. Ian Inigo for his beautiful and magical arrangement, and to my Kuya J.R. Bannes for his flawless mixing and mastering of the track. So a million thanks to you guys for this collaborative effort. Thank you also for keeping quiet about the project. I know Joshua is not surprised anymore that I'm the one who will sing for my bridal walk. But my surprise is, here's the original song entitled He Knows. I offer this song to him and to the man I prayed for, who is now to officially become my other half.
He knows it's you I pray for. He knows it's you I pray
Mata yung
with.
balahibo ko.
He knows you are my armor, my protector, my relief. He knows you are the music when silence brings me down. He knows you are the perfect fit for the soul behind this gown. And as I walked down the aisle, I couldn't help but smile and cry, 'cause he knows just what I needed in this life. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that I am yours and you are mine. He knows you are my power when I'm feeling weak and sick. He knows you are my harbor that is just within arm's reach. He knows us even better than we ever know ourselves. He knows that we have differences, but he pulls us back in place. When the roads we take get rough, he knows that we can steer them back, and he's ever there to help us clear the path. All we know is he knows, and we follow his direction. Even though life is short, we'll share forever in salvation. Through this life and beyond, we will let his will be done. 'Cause he knows that kiss of this, I give
Wow.
you mine. I do.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh, ang ganda. Matapos yung ano, ayun pa rin yung balahibo ko, guys. Grabe yung balahibo ko, ayaw pa rin talaga niya bumabaha simula umpisa hanggang sa matapos. Ang galing nung girl kasi mahirap yun sa part niya kasi siyempre siya yung bride. Sa bridal walk niya tapos siya pa rin yung kumanta, parang ang hirap nun na kontrolin yung sarili niya na maging emotional. Pero ang galing talaga. Siya rin mismo yung gumawa nung kanta, siya yung mismo nag-compose nung lyrics nung kanta na ang title ay He Knows. Kaya naman grabe talaga. Saludo ko dito sa dalawang mag-asawa na 'to dahil isang patunay na pinapakita nila kung ano nga ba yung pagmamahal. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng mga ganitong klase ng content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa videos natin. Thank you for watching!